POV tilde he called 119 so we
still
pranked
gonna bring
him.
him down, officer?
Tell him that he has to take his book. Amir, are you listening to me?
Yes, I'm going to go to school every day.
Officer, in got a week here.
Oh, so we should go for him down week here?
Yeah, school are open tomorrow.
Okay, we're taking him to jail.
Tomorrow.
Amir, where are you?
With the maroon tone.
Remember say police doing it.
Amir,
Yeah?
where are you?
Mommy, grandma, go to jail.
To you.
Mom, please, officer, talk to mommy.
Why did you call 119 earlier?
Me never know say I 119 me and my phone just ring off and then call me.
Come.
I'm not lying.
You're telling the truth?
Yes.
But I heard that you press off 119.
But
you tell them,
where name?
Officer, leave.
Officer lead. Officer, sorry. No. Okay. You got to talk to him?
If you get police David number.
And David to jail.
No, me no want to go to jail. Me go to school every day.
What did Alia do?
And she run around blue fees.
Oh.
Who was Robin Bluefields?
One man we have on one mask.
Why name?
Amir, come.
P.
Come. Them say you don't know. You never see face.
Me never see face.
What is the name of the man, Amir?
Officer, I never see face.
Amir.
Mommy.
What me fi tell him say?
Amir talk.
Officer,
Hello?
this is Amir's mother.